Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2006 Fontaine 48'X102. Stock number is 8507A1. This unit got a new headache rack on it. This is an aluminum combo unit with nail strips. We're going to come underneath the underside here. We're going to show you that this unit, the cross members are aluminum on this unit. Nice heavy aluminum cross members. This unit was sandblasted, primed, and repainted. This unit was a full sandblasted unit. The kingpin plate has been replaced. Nice heavy, well-built structure has been replaced up in there for you to last you a long time. As we come down the unit here, you can see the condition of the side rails are in phenomenal shape. We're going to take a look here. As you can see, we have an aluminum rim on the outside all the way around. 90% tire, excellent tire condition. All of the brake pads have been replaced on this unit. You can see the time and detail that we take to getting these things cleaned up, primed and painted, back in service and ready to go work for you. We're going to climb up underneath here. You can see new air tank, replumbed. Everything's fresh and new underneath this unit. This is an air ride suspension, riding on aluminum 225 outer rims. We come around to the back here and you can see what makes us different here, folks. We have a universal mounting kit on all of our units. This will carry Moffett, Princeton, and many other brands. You can take a look at the deck condition. Excellent aluminum, nail strips, in wonderful shape. Beautiful looking unit. I'm going to rotate around here. We're going to talk about Moffetts, Princetons, Load Max, etc. Manitous, we have hundreds in stock. Come visit us at 99lifts.com. We can get you set up with a package deal. Lift, trailer, or truck, mounted forklift system, all together as a package if you need it. If you own a lift and you want to make sure it's going to fit, let us know what you have. We're more than happy to verify. If we need to make any adjustments, we will do that for you in our fabrication shop. As you can see, the driver's side tires are in excellent shape, just like the other side. All of our units get brand new straps on them, ready to go work for you. This particular unit did get a brand new buyer's box for storage. As you can see, this unit is a beautiful unit. Great unit to get started working, rolling down the road, delivering for yourself or for someone else. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can visit us at 99lifts.com. Take a look at our forklifts, our trucks, and our trailers. We have many units available in stock. Come visit us, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.